Why do volcanoes erupt? Look over there, kiddo. The mountain is smoking. That's not just any mountain. It's a volcano. Inside a volcano is something super hot called lava. It's melted rock. Deep underground, it's so hot that rocks melt into lava. When it gets too much, the volcano wants to let off steam. Lava and gas are trapped under pressure until, boom, they burst out. Volcanoes don't just spit lava, they also shoot out ash, hot rocks, and gases. It's like Earth's giant sneeze. Yes, volcanoes can be dangerous, but science helps us predict and stay safe. Scientists are always watching closely to protect us. After an eruption, lava cools down and turns into new land, new mountains, even new islands. Volcanoes help Earth renew itself. Thanks for exploring volcanoes with us, fiery friend. Next episode. Why don't fish drown underwater?